Located on Dakota Lane in peaceful Rocky Mount, Missouri, this 0.29-acre property in Indian Creek Hills offers the perfect blend of privacy and opportunity. Enjoy access to a 40-acre private lake, hunting grounds, a community campsite, and a private boat ramp, all within your reach. Whether you're into fishing, swimming, or simply enjoying nature, there's something here for everyone. You're also just minutes from Lake of the Ozarks and the Coffman Beach public boat launch, giving you even more ways to enjoy lake life. Whether you're looking to camp, invest, or build your dream home, this land is ready for you, with owner financing available to make it even easier. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Morgan County, Missouri. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.